Most people think Gemini is just a chatbot, but Google has quietly added something shocking. Yes, Gemini can now generate original music using AI. No instruments, no software, just a prompt. Open the Gemini app, or you can simply use it in your browser. Then tap on Create Music.
Let's try something fun. I asked Gemini to create birthday music for my friend Neha.
And this is what Gemini generated.
Oh, today's the day. Hey Neha, hope you're having fun. A brand new year has just begun. Let's celebrate and cheer. Happy birthday, Neha, it's your day.
And honestly wasn't expecting this.
It can create different styles. For example, romantic music, energetic intro, even experimental sounds. This changes everything for creators. No copyright worries, no music skills needed. If you love discovering powerful AI tools, subscribe now. The future is moving fast.